another episode of Live Free or Camp Trying. Can't show you much because it's dark again. I know it's customary of me by this point. But we are back in the Ocala National Forest. And by we, I mean me and y'all. Because I'm alone out here. Tonight I'm going to be sleeping in the truck again. Got a little lantern fan back there keeping it cool. Surprisingly, it's not hot for being this time of year in Florida. Take advantage of it. So far, no mosquitoes trying to creep into the cracked windows. That's pretty cool. Here's our dinner for tonight. Nice healthy salad with a monster to cancel it out. Alright, putting the truck into good night mode because ain't no point in filming the darkness and me eating salad. The good cinematic stuff will come tomorrow morning. So as long as nothing goes wrong, I'll see y'all then. Well, this is my home for the night. And it wound up being really beautiful, so I'm glad I chose here. I couldn't see any of this last night. This is beautiful. This is a really beautiful spot. And look at that. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be here, so I should probably get out of here. One last look. Definitely not me. Well, thank y'all for watching another episode of Live Free or Camp Trying. I'm sorry this is a shorter one. Still beautiful. Come on, you gotta at least give me that. But the horseflies are coming out, and I don't play that game. So, I am heading out, and I will be seeing y'all on the next one.